Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the Seinxon Wallet Plus, Passport Holder and Clip Plus. These are newly designed trackable items you can use to ensure you keep track of where your belongings are even when using them. The Seinxon Clip Plus lets you clip it onto your belongings like bag, passport, or anything that you want that can allow it to clip onto. It clips powerfully onto it and lets you track your belonging. Next, the Seinxon Passport Holder. This has good storage space for my passport when I travel, and with built-in trackable technology, even when I am out and about, I can track its location of my belonging if I misplace it. Quality is good. The other item is the Seinxon Wallet Plus. I like as it is. A powerful wallet that has many features. There is a lot of storage space. It has a magnetic charging design, so I can just clip a magnetic charger to the back and it will charge up. It is also IP68 waterproof rated, so it can withstand splashes, accidents like if I spill my drink on it. Cool. The Wallet Plus is a good wallet for me to use on a day-to-day basis with its trackable feature and ergonomic design. Charging is a breeze with magnetic charging. The battery lasts a few months too on a single full charge. Great. It has built-in NFC tap to contact for NFC business cards. Good working, and I want to show people my business card. I can just ask them to scan it with the NFC business card set in my wallet or passport holder. Very efficient design and user-friendly feature.
Setting up the NFC business card is easy. Just scan the NFC tag with my phone. Log in and start editing my business card to key in my details. I want to share with people who connect with me for my contact details. So, very convenient. Now people can scan and connect with me easily. Cool.
All of the Seinxon product feature here is compatible with the iOS Find My app or the Android Find My app. In my case, I will test with Find My on my iPhone. Just connect to it via the app and follow the on-screen instructions to add it to my account. Very easy to use. Once it is connected, I can click to see its current location. Can be precise when I zoom in. On the app, one can ring the tracker and it will ring to help me locate in case it is lost. Wow, that was a loud ring. Amazing.
It also works with Android too, where it can sync to the app.
Overall, I find the Seinxon range of products released, the Wallet Plus, Passport Holder and Clip Plus, an amazing innovation with NFC. It can connect NFC business card for easy scanning for networking with people. Also, easy charging and good battery life is something I enjoy about these products. If you want to find out more, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.